Hello, reporting live from Homeschool Nation. And we are doing some, well, it's not really cooking, it's more like of a science kind of activity project. And we are making, what are we making, girls?
Play-Doh!
Well, it's actually salt dough, and it's like kind of a natural alternative to Play-Doh, and you can actually eat it made with flour and cream of tartar, your whatever food coloring you like.
See?
Hey, salt, and we're gonna add our own essential oils. I like frankincense. Emily's gonna do some frank and some lavender, and Bella's gonna do lemon and joy. And they're just gonna add the when they do their salt, they're gonna put the oils right on the salt, and it gets nice and absorbed that way. And then we're gonna add whatever food coloring we feel like. All right, 2 cups of that. What's 2 halves make 1 what? So we're doing science also. We're trying to break it all in. Mommy's got some tunes
Mommy,
on
how many
also.
cups of this one?
Just 1/4 cup. So I'll have those ingredients and the recipe directions on the blog, but just for, there it is, right there. It's super easy, super fun, hours of fun. Just one of each, just one. Okay.
Mommy, I put this in.
Yes, so it's a little chaotic, you know, trying to work and keep the house and do this, but this is great. I'm going to enjoy it when, you know, try to enjoy what you can. All right. Take care. Be well, everybody.
This one 1, 2.